All right, today we are enjoying the summertime and the weather, and we got a slide over there for the kids. They're going to be playing in the water, getting cooled off and having a good time. Today we're going to be cooking some burgers on this charcoal grill. I learned this ingredient for these burgers from my sergeant in the Marines, and I'm going to show you how we do it. So first you're going to need jalapenos, garlic, onions, salt, pepper, and then a barbecue sauce of your liking, and then a couple eggs, and then we're gonna mix them together. First, I'll talk about the ground beef I use. This is a fattier ground beef with 27% fat content. Makes the burgers more juicy. Next, I'm adding the diced jalapenos, adding enough to be evenly mixed. Since I'm also adding onions, I don't want too much where it's hard to form the patties. Here I'm adding the eggs to help make the patties hold up better. Then a spoonful of minced garlic. Now I'm adding the barbecue sauce. You don't want to add too much because if you do, then your patties won't hold up. Then pepper, salt. Now let it mix until it's an even consistency. You want to set these in the fridge so it will help bond everything together. All right, so now that we know how to make our patties, let's go ahead and light up this grill and get to cooking. All right, now we got the grill lit up. We're gonna go ahead and start throwing our corn on because it takes a little bit longer than the burgers to cook, so let's get it. The burgers turned out really good. The family loved it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video and try them out for yourselves. If you try them out, please comment below and tell me what you thought of the burgers.